All good. Right, welcome back to MTEL. Now, we've managed to get hold of a T5 transporter. This is what we've got hold of. As you can see, she's a bit ropey. Now we're going to be doing a lot with this van. We're going to be lowering it, changing the alloy wheels, redoing the body work, because as you can see here, someone has very nicely sideswiped the lamppost. Nice job. And as you can see here, it's rather doggy inside. Now we're going to be tearing this all out. We're going to be lining it on the inside with some carpet. Going to be putting the sound den in. We're going to take this out, the divider, buy some new steps, make a new floor, put a new floor down, and then maybe get a cabinet in there and some type of bed in the back as well. And then really it's just sorting out the bodywork. Now what we're doing today is we have been playing around fitting these alloy wheels. These are BMW X5 wheels. They're a bulbet alloy. They're staggered as well, so 9 J's for the front and 10 J's for the back, and we're showing them being put on. So this is, we've stripped the tyre off. You want to move back over there.
Pause. It's gone black.
Yes, so I'll just touch it. So what we've done, we've stripped the tyres off, as you can see. We've done a dry fit. Now the BMW X5s, these are 5x120s, and the centre bore is bigger than the original T5, so you will need to get like a spriget ring to lock the actual wheel onto the hub properly. Otherwise what will happen is slowly but surely as you're going driving around here, it'll undo the wheel nuts and then your wheels can fall off. Now obviously if you look here, I'll get a torch. As you can see, the 10Js, how tight they are inside the arch. Now that's a 6mm drill bit and it's literally on it. It does clear just. So if you look here as well, when I put this drill bit here, at the moment we have no spriget ring. So if I put that there, see that is where the wheel has no spriget ring and it's not locked onto the hub. So if you imagine, if you drive your car like that with no spriget ring in, that wheel is not central on that hub. So what happens, it shakes the wheel to the point where it undoes the wheel nuts, and then you will very nicely see your wheel overtake you on the motorway, which would be brilliant. So you don't really want to do that. You need to get an actual hub adapter. You could normally buy them on eBay, they're not dear. But there you go, we're showing you how tight they are. I think the original tyres, they were 285, 45, 19. So we're going to go for, I believe, a 275, maybe a 30, maybe a 35 profile wheel. Get the actual profile down. So it's about the same size as the original T5 wheel. And that's our little idea. And also we're going for the 275, so the tyres are not as wide. Otherwise if we get a 285, the tyre will slightly be bulging past the rim and it'll catch that inner arch as well, so it will shred the tyre, and at that point we're starting to put spacers on and that. So we don't really want to be doing that, so we're going to stick away from that. So that's the 10J wheel on the back, and next what we're going to do is we're going to try the 9J on the front and see how that fits as well. And like I said, these are a bulbet 19-inch BMW X5 alloy. That's what they are. Right, and now we have just put the BMW wheel on the front as well. This is the 9J one. Round the back there's a nice bit of room, pretty much an inch almost around the back, and that fits nice as well. So yeah, there we go. So they all fit nice. Now it's a matter of getting some tyres and refurbing the alloys. So hope this helps people, and if it does, like and subscribe, and I'll speak to you again soon.